Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a scrapbook haul. Now if you know, now I'm only getting stuff once a year and it's going to be in the month of March, February, March. So I'll show you what I got from Simon Says Stamps and then I'll show you what I got at Crop and Create. So it'll be two different videos. So the first one will be Simon Says Stamps. And what I do now is when I order stuff, I basically only order the embellishments because I find I have enough papers, but I find I go through embellishments a whole lot more. So I got from Pink Fresh Studio, I got Out and About. This is tags, travel tags. There's 12 pieces. And then this is the mixed embellishment pack. There's 41 pieces. Very cute. So I got quite a bit from that collection. I didn't separate anything here. This is the ephemera pack. There's 45 pieces. Everything is just in the box the way they packed it, so it might not all be together. This is, again, Pink Fresh Studio Out and About. This is the cardstock stickers, and it's double, like on both sides, so that's awesome. From the same collection, I have the puffy stickers. There's 35 pieces. They are super cute. Love that. Then, I don't know whose collection that is, but it is called Summertime. I love that. And then this is from Pink Fresh Studio, Joyful Day Mini Puffy Alpha stickers. Aren't they adorable? And you get 2 full sheets. Yay. That's awesome. Pink Fresh Studio is now my go-to for embellishment packages. I think this one here is from the Maggie Holmes, I think, Sunny Days. This is from Crate Paper. This is the sticker package. There's 8 sheets. That's pretty good. And then this is from Pink Fresh Joyful Day. That's the collection. This is some chipboard. Guess I might as well do these, eh? This is the Traveling Girl by Prima. There's 4 sheets of stickers. And then I also got the 24 pieces of ephemera. Okay, then this is Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musing, so that's a different collection. This is the ephemera pack. So you can tell I got way more of Pink Fresh than anything else. And this one is also Joyful Day, and this is the cardstock stickers. There's some on each side. Love that. And then this is Pink Fresh Joyful Day. Oh, I love that. I love that Memories one. I love them all, but I love the color. I think that's why I love that one the most. Then, is it Pink Fresh again? Yeah, Pink Fresh Studio from the Joyful Day. Look at those, oh, cute little puffy alphas. Adorable. Love that. This is from the Crate Paper Maggie Holmes, the sticker sheets. Love that. This is Echo Park, the coffee collection. Kind of wondering if I didn't buy that at Crop and Create. This is Crate Paper Wild Heart. This is a stamp set. Love that. Figured where you know, my cruise and stuff, I can use those. This is Pink Fresh, again, Everyday Musing. There's 4 different tiny little alphas. Love that. Tons of letters. And some thickers. I don't know which collection this is from, but they're pink distressed. It's called First Kiss. Super cute. Then again, from Pink Fresh, Everyday Musing, some puffy stickers. Love those. Again, Pink Fresh, Everyday Musing. This is phrase stickers. There's 36 pieces. Love that. Again, Pink Fresh Everyday Musing. This is some layered stickers. They're little hearts with little stickers over top. Then Pink Fresh Joyful Day, the ephemera pack. Super cute. Then Pink Fresh Joyful Day, the puffy stickers. Love them. Then one more chipboard. This is from the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. This is the chipboard stickers. Now the last thing I got is a couple of weeks ago, my T-square ruler fell off my desk and broke. So I just ordered another T-square ruler because I use this all the time. And I couldn't, you know, I was using it broken, but it was not T-squaring very well. So that's it. That is what I got from Simon Says Stamps. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.